Hello everyone, my name is Lily, and I'm back with another quick tutorial video. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the "Sorry we couldn't update your profile picture" error on Instagram. It's pretty straightforward, so let's jump in. Switching from Wi-Fi to LTE is the very first step you should take. So go into Settings, select Wi-Fi, and then turn off the toggle next to Wi-Fi. Switching from a weak Wi-Fi connection to a faster LTE connection is typically better because you can use your Instagram app much more smoothly. However, if switching to LTE doesn't seem to work, we'll go ahead and look for a new update. Now just go to the Google Play Store or App Store and type in Instagram at the top of the search bar. Then it will either say Open or Update next to Instagram. If that shows Open, your app is fully up to date. If it shows Update, your app does need an update. Go ahead and update your app. The reason you are doing this is that the latest updates fixed previous errors or bugs in the app. So if updating or changing to LTE does not even solve your issue, we'll examine the permissions of the Instagram app. So let's go back to Settings and scroll all the way down to where it says Apps. Then press the search bar at the top and type in Instagram. Select that, and after that, we'll go over to Permissions. So what you want to do now is allow all of these permissions. You especially want to enable this storage permission over here. The whole point of this is that Instagram needs access to your images in order to fully utilize them as your profile photo. If all these things don't solve your issue, what I recommend is reporting the issue to Instagram. To do so, go over to Instagram and tap the bottom right-hand corner where your profile is. Then simply tap the top right corner where those three lines are. Then select Settings. Then simply tap Help. Then report a problem. And now just type in a message and tell him something isn't working, and then tap Next and then hit Send. That's it. So Instagram will look into your issue and fix it for you. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. And now just type in a message and tell him something isn't working, and then tap Next and then hit Send. That's it. So Instagram will look into your issue and fix it for you. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below.